Hello everyone, it's Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making some Scotch eggs. I'm going to be using Marcus's book, Food and Fire, to follow along with, and also going to be using Russ's rub, so from the Rusty BBQ company. I'm going to be using some hogwash mixed up with the mix, which I'm going to wrap around the eggs. So let's get to cooking. So as you can see, I've got the sausage meat there, I've got the book there, I've got the rub there, and the breadcrumbs there. I'm going to add this rub into these breadcrumbs and follow that recipe using this sausage meat and some eggs in frozen water, just chilling down from when I boiled them. So I'm going to show you how to do that right away. So here's the top tip that's in the book. What you do, you get some cling film, pull it over the sausage meat, then squash it, so that way you don't get covered in sausage meat. And what we're going to do is plonk the egg in that, wrap it up and put it in the fridge where the barbecue lights. So I'll do the rest of these and I'll bring you back in a little while. So the eggs have been in the water for a good 20 minutes while I've been faffing around with the sausage meat. Just going to get them out, bung them on a tea towel, dry a bit of the water off, break them open and wrap them in the sausage meat. Hopefully I haven't hard boiled them, so we'll have to have a look. Let's give these a quick rub down and I'll bring you back in a second. Right, so here's some rub from the Rusty BBQ company. I'm just going to sprinkle that over. This is coincidentally hogwash. Not a bad bit of gear. Check them out. Next up, an egg. And put that in there. Hopefully it's not going to pop or explode and it's all going to work fine. So I'm going to wrap it around like that. Bring the edges in, keep them rolling. Pinch it all up. Give it a bit of a push. Hopefully we're going to get an egg. Give it a roll. Roll this end up. Pressure it down a bit. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Oh, I'll take that as a Scotch egg any day. So there we go, there's my Scotch egg. I'll put that in the fridge, make the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to show you the last one. I showed you the first one. Little bit of Rusty BBQ rub. Sprinkle it on. All good flavour in there. It's going to be delicious. Get my last egg, look. And very gently give it a wipe because it's got some eggshell on. So what I need to do is place him there. And then just roll over the sausage meat. Like so. And roll over this piece, like so. So now we've got a good seal, we can roll back on ourselves. Keeping this pulled out. If we make a nice tight seal with that, and cup it, we can then seal the ends up. And just give it a bit of a squish around to make sure everything's nice and stuck. Give it a roll if you want to, but just not overly firm, but just to make sure everything's sticking so it doesn't fall apart when it cooks. And then these can go and rest in the fridge. So I'm outside, as you can see it's dark and cold. This is the reality of barbecuing outside in the UK. I'm going to show you my Scotch eggs, which I put a beautiful crust on earlier. I'm going to be honest here, I'm pretty proud of them. Really proud, in fact. I've got to this stage before and they've just gone. So we're in the final straight, so I'm going to stick these on the barbecue. Look at them beauties. I'll put these on, let them cook indirect. Have to move them around a little bit. And let the barbecue do its magic. So I'll get the lid on and check them back later. So here we are. I've just had my alarm go off for 40 minutes. I thought I'd come out and check, see what's going on. What I'm looking for on these is 74 degrees, or it's at 165 Fahrenheit. It's a little way to go yet. Won't be long though. That one's getting there. I'm just going to check these 75. 67. I'll turn that one round. So this is going. Need a bit longer. 71. 72, that's 80, 65, yeah, so these need a little bit longer. We'll just move them a little bit closer to the fire. We'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, so the Scotch eggs have just hit temperature. What I'm going to do is bang them on a tray, take them indoors, have a bit of a taste test. Right, so here we go, the moment of truth. I'm going to do the big cut in and reveal. What do you reckon? Goo or no goo? Oh no! Fail! No goo! Bugger! Never mind, let's try another one. No, it just goes to show I can't cook Scotch eggs. Some people like them like that. I wanted a gooey one. Never mind, worse things happen. You know what I've got to do? Try again. So this is my Scotch egg video fail. Please check back again for my Scotch egg video excellente. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. What can I say? It failed. But I'll be making another one and hopefully they'll work. So check back to the channel. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Check out the video links below. Please do comment, share and ring that bell. It would be much appreciated. So this is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon.